Oh well, this is it. It's the Durban July event, baby. I'm standing next to two gentle brothers. As you can see, they're super steezed up, super fresh, so beautiful. Look at the drip, man. Look at the drip. Look at the sauce. What are your names, gentlemen?
Sean.
This is Sean and Faisal at the Durban July. This is the Vodacom Durban July. If you're not here, I don't know where you are, because this is the hottest weekend in South Africa right now. This is the hottest weekend in Durban right now. Gentlemen, if I may ask, this is real jewelry, right?
Of course.
Damn! How many carats? How many carats?
How many do you think?
I'm thinking 8.
8?
Oh,
18.
18 carats. Cover the grills. Cover the grills. Oh yeah, nina mwana wa haya ni DJ Katu himself. What I mean?
Atambi bar min face.
Shapunga manda. Po.
Pe.
Awona zwingo roswika rojela Durban July eThekwini. Niko mini ka batho bane bo baro uswika Durban July.
Ite angwa mungwe na mungwe, so kere nisongo kona usika unongwa uda udoswika rakona batho bakonuta.
Kana nende belisa zolanga sharp define na yini. Remember twins once and they got dalanga outfit and they got dalanga chain mamngana. I just bumped into two lovely ladies who say they're shy, but I don't believe that. First of all, how are you guys? What are your names? Where do you come from?
Hello, I'm Ashley. I come from Durban. I'm Cara. I come from Durban.
Amazing. Are you here for the fashion? Are you here for the horse racing, or are you just here because it's fun to be here?
Here to watch the horse racing, place a few bets. Yeah, same.
Oh, fantastic.
No outfit noni theme here this year iri Stars of Africa. So ngori nne ngwana Venda ndari no yanga theme ndito toba ndapanga mini touch za Venda na mingwenda or baji yanga inake na group ni unake. So ndani kuto represent abantu bayani.
Excellent kodara. Ofree urikobubidza guy namusi.
Atidibi ngabathu banje, but nne ndichibva pato ndiko affect Durban Rocks. So I've got VIP tickets, care about personal VIP tickets. Ari dertakare, ripembere, utipe.
Excellent. Notaka zisonga mini apo betu namusi.
Nne zwabdi bdi apa ndo danga mshumu. So but nasu zwinji batu wambara zwabuti. Una mtu winner 16 million bere yao yo winner. Mara ndi zwinji zuliwa, musika, vibe yaone, huko totakaza everything.
That's fantastic. Just better engineering kazobo mara boms.
Na rusi.
Excellent. Kodara ndiruba amanda mkomana. Nive na usiku abudi. Sure. Do you know any of the horses? Are you deep into that stuff, or it's just for the money?
No, I don't really think about horses. I don't know. I'm just watching. I'm also just watching.
What?
We're also just watching.
Oh, you also just watching. Did you make money? Did you lose money?
We made a bit. Good money. We did well.
Oh, you made, how much are we talking about?
I don't know. How much was it? On one horse.
Oh, you only bet on one horse.
One. So
Where are we spending that cash tonight?
pardon?
Where are we spending that cash tonight?
Maybe the casino, the club. Don't know yet. We'll see later. No, probably the club.
Thank you guys for your time. Have a nice day. Bye. How are you guys? What are your names? Where do you come from?
I'm Luke Mayer. I come from Durban, just here for the July.
I'm Libby Sard up here for the July.
Are you guys together? Together?
No, we're just friends. We met.
You're just friends.
Yeah, we're just friends.
Fantastic, because you guys look cute together though. Alright, no problem. How do you guys feel about this whole experience? Is it your first time?
Yeah, it's a great experience. A lot of sights around, and the race was a great race. So yeah, I'm really excited to be here.
Are you here for the horse racing? Are you here for the fashion, or are you just here for fun?
I'm just here for the banter.
For the fun.
Yeah, for the fun.
Still out here at the Vodacom Durban July in Durban. And then DJ Wawori and then the DJ Zonzo. What do you mean?
On the right part, right.
And then the Shapunga Amanda. Ndikombo rivo swika Durban. Swiko iteya. Choro toma bangari mini ka watu bene abango da Durban. Bene abai dibi Durban July.
Ka watu wote boro da Durban July. Rekorini so wana taito. Chiko chipinga ndobe na swika na bene. Durban July ndi watu bachere de wono ga worine. Asa muna mungu.
And then the Korean no go show on a chenda. Cover the kick game. Look at the shoe, man. This guy is not playing. I've seen different kinds of styles ever since I arrived at the event today, but this right here looks so different. I'm seeing a touch of Mexican with some Italian. I mean, this is too fresh, my brother. How are you, first of all?
I'm doing well, yourself?
I'm fantastic. How are you feeling?
Doing wonderful. It's quite nice to be here today.
I'm guessing this is not your first time at the Durban July.
Well, I've been coming around. This is not my first, and it's most certainly not my last as well.
What can you say to all those that are in Durban during July, but not at the Vodacom Durban July?
Well, it's a fact. Durban rocks. You have to be here. This is the best time to come to Durban. This is how you see Durban at its most raw form. This is where entertainment is. Yeah. We're here.
Fantastic, you had it. Look at the sauce. Look at the check. Cover the shoes. Cover the shoes. Cover the suit. No mana zwine ngari namsi. Zwini tera doba kana niko expecta uri niko dido bona zwithu zwine zwo tera doba.
Ka zwithu zwine nga tamba zwone tshitshentelo ḓuvha ḽa vhukuma ndi ṱoḓo o ambara rokho ya vhuḓisa.
Hey, abala ndi basa vhone vha. Zwino no dina blind ayani usikale kale clubuni angeni. No one niko bola. Niko bola nga birthday ya Mnis Cafe. Zwino namusi ndi zwifhio zwine zwa kho ḓo itiwa.
Zwine zwa vha zwone ndi zori vhathu vha songo isela vhutshilo wanga. Zwine nda vha ndi khou ita asi vhathu vhoṱhe vhane vha nga zwi kona. Vhathu huna vhaṅwe vhathu vhane vha isela vhutshilo wanga vha nyaga uri sa dzo renga champagne tharu na nṋe ra ri renge. Vhathu vha sa ḓi zori la champagne nṋe ndo i wana gai. Ni a wana ndi khou zwi wana nga mahala kana ndi khou zwi renga. Muṅwe na muṅwe kha concentrate kha vhutshilo hawe u ḓo bvelela.
Exe ndiko dala makrutmani exe hola. It's getting darker and darker and darker, and still I still keep on bumping onto people that look extremely amazing. How are you guys? What are your names and where do you come from?
We're from Limpopo. I'm dressed by Manamungu. She's from Zimbabwe.
Oh, and you?
I'm from Limpopo also, dressed by Mama Muku. She's from Zimbabwe. She's my designer.
Awesome. Say mabulabula. Uma queen.
Umankonkowa.
Queen. How vana va le kaya va fikila.
Umadal village kahle kahle sonkonko ho tilungulaisa.
Oh, tinghenisa ndawini. Vana va le kaya va fikile la eThekwini, Durban. How are you guys feeling? Is this your first time here?
Yeah, this is my first time coming to Durban July.
And you?
Yeah, same here.
What can you say about? What can you say to those that are still at home there? But so whenever kadiba hayani Limpopo bena about that Durban July.
Guys, the Durban July it's a must come. It's like come on one. It's so fun. Like how it's where you see style, fashion, good food, good music, everything.
Nice. Have you seen anything that's your highlight? Or are you still expecting something?
I still wanna see a lot of things because this is my first time and I'm so excited.
Nice. Thank you for your time, ladies.
Come, you can sign.
It's me again, I'm back, and as you can see, I'm standing next to two beautiful sisters. What are your names, guys?
Oh, my name is Bali Singh.
And you?
I'm Bonolo.
Well, I see some retro vibes going on here. Some black with a touch of red. What inspired the look?
Well, what is Africa without this? This is Africa.
Taking it back to the roots. And you, beautiful sister, who dressed you?
My designer is Salom Mashiani. Yes, from Soshanguve.
All thanks to Silo Bashiana because he is it a he?
Yes,
he is a major plug. You should check him out. It's a vibe, it's beautiful, it's going down. I'm having a good time. This is Mr. Caliber.
Yeah, Fred Pecker, you know.
Fred Pecker.
We living well.
Former Yo TV presenter.
And now a genius, you know, podcaster.
I've been following your podcast. Just to say, man, you're doing some good stuff. Keep pushing, bro.
Yeah,
I saw the Una Rams episode.
Yeah.
I also saw the Stilo Magolide episode. That was
sobering, man.
And you know, I wasn't expecting that, but it was a little bit deep, yo.
Yeah, man.
So now I understand why it's the sobering podcast.
That's what we do.
So how are you feeling? Have you seen anything that you can say is your highlight for today, or are you still expecting more?
No, not yet. I just got here, man. You know. Yeah, you can hit me with the drip check. You know what's going on.
I can see you've got a whole lot of drip going on. Cover the blazer, cover the hat, bro. Indeed, the stars of Africa are shining, dude. Thanks, bro.
Thank you, bro.
This is one of the things I like about this event, man. I mean, cover the steez. Look at our beautiful African sisters. I mean, you don't want to miss such an occasion. First of all, how are you guys doing and what are your names?
We're doing great. My name is Nontantego and my surname is Zulu. Yeah.
My name is Kulile Zwane.
My name is Nompilo Ngobo, and yeah, this is me.
I'm guessing this is not your first time, guys.
Actually, my third or fourth time. Yeah.
Actually, my second time.
It's my fourth time, yeah. So all the nerves are at home.
So after coming here again and again, what can you say to the people that have not yet started coming to the Durban July?
Guys, you are missing out. Yo, this is such a vibe. All the cameras are on you. The attention is huge. Just guys, come here. It's amazing.
Save up. Durban July is the place to be.
Damn, you guys are super steezed up. This is Major Sauce, Major Drip on lock. How are you guys doing?
We okay, man. We okay, man.
No, it's nice.
Can you quickly tell us your names, where you come from?
My name is Sepo Rakale. I come from Joburg.
My name is Keta, and I come from Limpopo. Yeah.
Where in Limpopo?
I come from Venda.
I mean, guys, you see people coming all the way from the north down here to the south, and you're still telling me that you don't feel Durban July? Come on, man. I mean, look at the cover the steez, cover the shoes. What's that? Damn, what can you say to all the people that are not at the Durban July?
I don't know. Your life is not okay. It's not Ayoba.
It's not Ayoba. Do you wish for something like this to happen across South Africa, or to just remain a Durban thing?
Yeah, I think this definitely should happen throughout all regions in South Africa. We should have this everywhere. I think it's nice.
Fantastic, awesome. Nice to meet you guys. Have a good day. I'm sure. Grand, how's it? Ngijabule kakhulu ngoba namhlanje ngikubonile. I don't speak Zulu, but I'm trying just because of you. How are you?
Awuzame ngizwe.
Ngijabule kakhulu ngoba namhlanje ngikubonile.
Hayi kubonga mina mngani wami, ngiyabonga mfethu.
Ngibonga wena. Ngize lapha ngiphuma eVenda eLimpopo. Wakwazi eVenda?
Venda, oh yes.
Have you been there?
I've performed in Venda before. Yeah, ngikwazi kahle. I know it very well.
I don't know if you know this, but the people have got mad love for you in Venda. Mad love.
No, I know. Every time when I go there, people go crazy. People go mad.
That's awesome. Fantastic. Thanks for seeing you. I am very honored to meet you. Have you seen anything that you can say has been the highlight for you today, or you still expecting more and more?
I've just arrived, but the beauty of the people have amazed me.
Before I leave you, can you just shepherd me with that voice?
Shop.
Oh well, look who I just bumped into. This is so beautiful. I love the color combinations. I love everything that is going on here. How are you guys? I'm not gonna ask you what your name is because everybody knows you.
Okay. What's up, Wandile? How you doing, my brother?
I'm good. How are you?
It's my wife, Jessica Jane.
Nice to meet you, Jessie. How are you?
Right, and you?
I am doing good. Yes, I can see you guys are dressed so well. Do you guys dress yourselves, each one of you, or one dresses the both of you?
Well, I'm a fashion designer, so I pretty much dress as. Yeah. Wendy's one of my most difficult clients, but I try.
Well, it's good to hear that. Have you guys seen anything that you can say is your highlight for today, or you're still expecting more?
I think for me, my brother, I don't want to lie, Minnie's dress just knocked me out. You know, my wife was working so hard on it, and when I saw it fine, I was like, okay, it made sense.
Wait, you mean your wife dressed Minnie Jones?
Minnie Dlamini, yeah. She dressed Minnie Dlamini, yeah.
Oh my goodness. Big ups to you. That's awesome. What can you say to all the people out there who still aren't interested in coming to Durban July just because maybe they do not know what goes down here and stuff like that?
Wow, what can I say? Where are you from?
I'm from Limpopo.
Well, I'm from Durban, and then I moved to Joburg. And what I can say is, if you want to have fun in winter, come to the Durban July.
When I first bumped into these two men, the first thing I did was to check their shoe game. Because that's one of the ways that we judge a man, isn't it?
That's very true. That's the foundation of an outfit. That's a shoe.
Of course. Nice to see you guys looking like this. What are your names and where do you come from?
I'm Simpiwe. I come from Pretoria West.
I'm Bumelelo. I come from Sosha.
Is this your first time around here?
Yeah, it's my first time actually.
It's my first time.
What can you say to the guys that you left Kokasi, who are not here, who don't know what's going down, who only know the name Durban July but never really know what it is about?
Well, first of all, shout out to my designer, Didisa Lely, did the most, dude. Like, shout out to Vince, all my guys. Like, it's popping out here, dude. We should come here. We should come here.
Exe, they must come and they must know. Exe, dancer, called Durban July. This is the moment for these two lovely people to shine right now. How are you people doing?
We're good.
Doing good, thank you.
You guys, wait, first of all, I like the color coordination. I like the shades that you have got going on there. I like your shoes. Your shoes are awesome. So, I'm guessing one of you dressed the two of you. Is it true?
Yeah, definitely. And it's not me. You'd be surprised.
What? You've got to be kidding.
Ify Mall, very well-known menswear designer. I'm Tula Cindy. I'm wearing Ify Mall. I'm a designer as well, but I focus mostly on women's wear.
This is opulence. This is style. This is fashion. I don't think it can get any better than this. Anyways, before I go any forward, how are you guys and what are your names?
I am T.A.T. Mokau from Pretoria.
Hi, I'm Tino Robert from Standerton.
Mr. Robert, the African stars are shining indeed, as the theme for this year's Vodacom Durban July says. What can you say to anybody that has failed to come to this event?
I would say that you guys don't know what you're missing. Next year you should make sure that you come here. Durban July is a mother of all parties, and it only just happens once a year, guys. So please come next year, join us.
I'm taking it's not your first time. How many times have you been to the event?
Jesus. We come whenever when we want to come, really. So yeah, that's our playground.
Have you seen anything up to so far which you can say has been your highlight of the day, or you're still expecting more?
We're just enjoying the moment.
First of all, how are you, sir?
I'm fine.
Your name and where you come from?
Martin from Durban.
I'm guessing this is not your first time.
Yes, it's not my first time.
And you are clearly with your friend, and I'm sure he's not your only friend. There are other friends that never came. Why did they not come, and what can you say to them?
It depends, you know. You have to plan for it before you come. So we already planned, you know, that will be in this July.
Your name again?
Xavier from head office.
Just from head office. How are you feeling, man? I mean, it's an awesome day. It's one of the best days in Durban. Well, let me just say in the country. How are you feeling, man?
I'm feeling good, my brother. You know, I've got beautiful fucking people walking around me, good-looking people. You know, you dress for success. The problem with people is that some days they don't believe in themselves, because sometimes believing in yourself is not as good as when you believe in yourself. It's a good day. The horses came in. We made money, boy.
Did you bet? Oh, now I can see the reason why you're behaving like this. How much do you make?
I'll tell you when you're older. I'll tell you when you're older. You can't handle the truth.
Should I wait?
When you're older, boy.
Alright, no problem. You look and smell like money. Let's talk about the shades.
The shades.
Let's talk about the... I mean, okay, first, shade game. Are you the teller or not when it comes to price?
Pardon?
Price?
Price-wise, 15 grand.
Damn. That's a G, right?
Yes, that's a Gucci.
Yes, of course. And when it comes here?
Sorry? Versace. 18 grand.
15 Gucci, 18. And then the pants?
10 grand.
And the shoes?
4 grand.
Whoa. Coming over to you, sir. Starting with the... I'm good. How are you, sir? DJ who?
Bruno.
I can already see Versace written on the hair, the eyes.
Correct, that's correct.
How much is that one?
No, it's like 8 grand.
8 grand. And the shirt?
Shirt, 4.5.
And the pants?
The chin is like 2 grand.
It's like 2 grand, like it's nothing. And the shoes?
1.8. I know it's nothing much on the shoes. I'm a teacher. I don't spend so much.
What kind is the dip house? I'm guessing dip house.
Gom
is the way to go.
The dip house.
What do you guys think about Amapiano as a new sound coming in into the industry?
Yo, my piano, they can't win here in Durban.
They can't win?
In Durban, but they are nice.
They're nice.
Call me in Durban.
Well, I don't come from Durban, but last night when I was clubbing, I had Amapiano playing and everybody was crazy.
Exactly. It's good sound, but Home is number one.
It will rain forever. Thanks, guys. Have an awesome day. Ciao. Dressing for success. I can see you dressed the part. Are you having a good day? Have you seen anything that has made your highlight for today, or are you still expecting more and more?
Look, I think in the race 11, I think Sundowns is coming through for 11th, 4th. I think the 2 for the 3 and the 1's coming in on the 11th. It's going to be a good race. I think the race is not over. It's getting dark. There's a lot of opportunity. There's the horses are strong. The fillies aren't as strong as what they used to be, but they can come in the 11th. And I think I'm going to bet for it.
I'm so happy because you're the first person who's talked about the horses, and it seems like everyone else is just focusing on the fashion, and they've forgotten that this whole event is about horse racing.
100%. So I mean, 90% of the world comes down for this on this event, right?
Looking forward to getting fucked up drunk tonight.
I'll tell you when you're older, bud.
Looking forward to some women.
I'll tell you when you're older.
Oh well. It's already night time now, and we are with OK Malumkul Cat, aka Zulu Computer, aka International Pansula, aka DJ Sharp Sharp. You can add on.
OK Sharp, Blaze Milano, OK Sharp, Don Spovington, OK Sharp, 100K Cassettes, OK Sharp, Zulu Computer. I think you already said that. Sanbonan.
Exe, it's very nice to meet you, sir. I can see the drip is going down. It's on lock as always. How are you feeling about tonight?
I'm really trying to run to the show at Afrotainment Marquee. But yeah, I just got here. It's looking beautiful, man. In the pool, next level. Shout out to everybody that came out. Everybody looking good.
I keep bumping into you in such occasions, and I just wish that one day maybe I'm going to have a chance to just chill with you, man. And I'm just going to spend a day with you.
I don't want to spend a day with you, bro.
Don't break my heart. Thanks, mate.
Yeah, thanks.